main feature of what we do here at Parco involves the use of advanced automated CNC systems. Our computerized numerical controlled router gives us capabilities and options that other machines cannot replicate. Having the system available in-house allows us to fabricate panels with extreme precision, which is a crucial element of the custom design process. We can do it all as well, everything from custom machined aluminum parts to tabletops and panels to original signs and decorations. With this much customization, it is imperative that we continually search for ways to increase the efficiency and consistency of our process, and our automated systems do just that. So whether you need a custom-sized engraved tabletop or a set of identical machined panels, we can get it done for you in a timely, professional manner. For more information on Parco or our products, please feel free to browse our website or give us a call at 1-800-817-0617.